Hi everyone, I'm super excited today. I just completed the first leg of my solo flight around the world a few days ago from Oshkosh to Indiana. This is more than just a flight, okay? It's a mission to inspire the next generation of Asian female pilots, aerospace engineers, and STEM professionals. So today I'm gonna fly from Indiana to Pennsylvania, and I'm super excited on this second leg of my journey. And I want to thank SiriusXM for supporting this dream. Your belief in this mission fuels every single mile that I fly. And to everyone else watching, I need your help to keep me going. Please support my next leg by donating to my GoFundMe page. Every bit helps me get closer to making history and lifting up the next generation of aviators. Let me see if I can get my applets in. It's stuck. And I'm super excited. Wish me luck. Thank you. And I will see you in Pennsylvania. And let's keep flying forward together. See if I can get my tie back in. Thank you.